Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how do I create a track with Soundful, a quick guide. So, let's get started. Let's kick off this creative journey by exploring a couple of ways to give life to your musical vision. Locate the create button right within the player at the bottom of the screen. It's that icon resembling sound waves. After clicking that inviting create button, you will be presented with three exciting options: similar, track, and loop. For building a complete musical experience, let's choose the track option. With a simple tap on your chosen template, watch as it springs to life by clicking the Create Preview button. Witness a tantalizing preview of the sonic marvel that's about to unfold. Remember, what you are glimpsing now is just a peek into your musical journey. However, keep in mind that you possess the authority to refine, tailor, and nurture it to suit your creative inclinations. With just a few clicks, you've ignited your musical voyage with the power of Soundful. Thank you for joining us, and until we meet again, may your music resonate and your creativity shine.